Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Pembati. Now students, for last episode we have seen the lesson number 3 of grammar, that is questions. What we have studied in the last period, we have seen that one, what is the meaning of the question, that sentence ends with a question mark, that called sentence. Now in the while form the question, we have seen there are the 5 question words. With the help of that 5 question words we can form the questions. Which are they? What, who, where, how and which. With the help of these question words we can form the question. Okay. Now students, in the last period I have told you that one, why we are going to ask the questions, because we want to get some information, or we have to know about the something, that's why we have asked the questions. Okay. Now we have seen in your grammar textbook, we have seen the conversation between Richa and Meena about they are in the 3rd standard class. Okay. Again what we have seen, we have solved this question of in your grammar textbook. That first question, what it is given, that Suhana and meet Mihika in the class 3 when first time. So they both are converting with each other. So with the help of the here what it is given, that we have to make a questions with the help of given in the bracket, and we have solved this also with the help of given in the questions in the bracket. In the last period again what we have seen that whenever we have to form a question, there we can sometimes we can form questions by making some changes. Okay. That whenever we have to form the question, that time we have to change some words, so we can form a questions. Now here example also we have seen that one, that first one, you will be my friend. So while form the question, what we have to do, little bit change we have to do in the sentence, then we can form a question. What it is given, that will, this word it is given put here before. So what the question form here, that will you be my friend, and after the end the sentence what we have given the question mark. Okay. And in last period also what we have studied that the question number B and 8 examples we have solved that. That what it is the question? The question is like that. Make questions from the following sentence by changing the position of the word printed in bold. See what it is given, that the word which is given in the bold, the position we have to change and we have to form a questions, and after ending a sentence we have to put question mark at the end it is given. So with the help of this question we have solved this 8 examples in the last period. Now today we are going to see the next example related same question. Shall we go? Now open your grammar textbook, page number 11. Take your pencil, eraser with you, but don't write it until and unless I am not going to say to write the answers. Okay. Shall we go further? See 8 examples we have solved with the help of the question. Once again I am going to say that the question I am going to repeat it today now, that we have to form the questions with the help of this sentence, which in this sentence the word which is given in the bold printed, we have to change that word, the position of that word we have to change, and we have to form a question. Okay. Now here 9th one, 8 examples already we have seen and we have solved that examples in the last period. Today we are going to cover this 14 remaining examples we are going to cover in this period. Okay. one by one we are going to solve. But don't write it now until and unless I am not going to say to write. You just listen carefully and understand this. Okay. One by one we are going to solve here. Now ninth one is that Meeta is late for school. See, sometimes you are coming to school for some reasons, that your bus is not come to regular time, or some happens that your father's, your mother's bike is punctured, or your auto uncle is not come on the time, so you are coming to school late. The same situation is happen here, that Meeta is late for school. Now here is this word, it has given the bold. What I say in the last period, that the word which has given the bold printed, we have to change the position of that word. So what to do now? We have to put that word before the Meeta. Now here is it is given, that we have to write first here. Okay. Now while writing the answer, while writing the sentence, the first letter it should be capital. Okay. Here is it is given I in the small. So what we have to do? I, while writing the sentence form, we have to write first letter, it should be the capital. Here I am going to write in the capital. Okay. Now is we have wrote here. Then after, before is, what it is given? Meeta. Here again M I am going to write in capital, because this is the name of a person. Then after Meeta is it is there, will again we have to write it here? No, because we have already wrote here, we have put this word here, so again no need to write it here, otherwise it will not form a question. So after Meeta is we have wrote here, then after is what it is given? Late for school. So as it is we can write it here, late for school. Then what to do? We have going to give question mark. Okay. Keep remind that, just remember this one, after you form the question you have to give the question mark. Okay. When you are going to write the question, end with the question mark. When you are writing a sentence, end with a full stop. Okay. First letter always you have to keep, remember this one, first letter it should be the capital while form the question or while form the sentence. But while form the question, end with the question mark, and while form the sentence, end with the full stop. This is the difference you have to remember. Okay. Now here 10th one, that they will return today. Now this is the sentence, and after sentence what it is given? Full stop. What we have to do? We are going to ask the question, we have to form the question. So what we have to do here, that word which is given in the bold printed, that we have to put that first. Okay. So here will come first, then after, before will, which word it is given? They. So here we are going to write they. Then again we have to write will here? No. Now after will, which word it is given? Return. After that today. Now this is the question. Will you give full stop or question mark? Yes, we are going to give question mark, because we have formed a question. Now what it is, that question form we have done, that will they return today? Then question mark we have to give. Don't write it, just listen carefully. You can write it afterwards when I am going to say it. Okay. Now the 11th one is, Vani is her friend. Here the name of a girl it is given, Vani is her friend. That again is it is given in the bold. So what to do? We have to write that word, we have to change the position of that word. We put that word first. Okay, the it is in the capital word, we have to write it. Then before is what it is given, Vani. Now again we can see here Vani, V I wrote in the capital. Okay, now after Vani what we have to write? Yes, we have to write her friend. Question mark. Okay, what the question form we have done here, we have found the question form is here like that. Is Vani her friend? Then question marks we can give. Now 12th one is Tania is a good dancer. Most of the girls, they like to do the dance. Their hobbies are like dancing, skipping, like that. So Tania is a good dancer. She practices the dancer and she is a good dancer. Now here again we have to change the position of the word. First what we have to do? First we are going to see the word which is given in the bold printed, that we have to put first. Now here is, it is given again the bold printed. We have to took that word, we have to put that word first. Is, then what here? Tania. T I am going to write in the capital. Then after is what it is given? A good dancer. A good dancer, then question mark. Okay, so what the question we have found here? Is Tania a good dancer? Okay, now the 13th one. She was playing with Vihan. She was playing with Vihan. Now here she means girls, when we have to present the, we are going to say instead of her name we are going to say she. Now here she was playing with Vihan. Now here in this sentence was, it is given in the bold printed. So we have to, again what we have to do? We have to put that word first. W we have to write in the capital because it is given in the small. So the was we have to put here first, then changes what we have to do? Was we have taken first, then before was it is what it is given? She. So she we have to write it here, and after was what it is given? Playing with Vihan. We have to continue here. Playing with Vihan. Then question mark. Now here see V I wrote in the capital. Why? Because it is the name of a person. Okay. Now last but not the least in the example, 14th one, that they are practicing for the test. Now here we can see this word, it is given in the bold printed. So we have to put, change we have to do, this R we have to put first. Now A it is given in the small letter. What to do? We have to write first letter, it should be the capital R. Now changes what we have to do? If we are writing R first, then what it will come? Before R what it is there? They. So after R what we have to write? We have to write they. Then after R what it is given? Practicing for the test. Question mark. So the question form is like that. Are they practicing for the test? Then question mark. Now students, you can write down these answer in your grammar textbook. One by one you have to write in the good handwriting. Okay. I am going to reading. You just look at here on the screen and you have to continue to write it. Okay. One by one I am going to say that. Ninth one, what it is given? Meeta is late for school. So what we have to do? We have to change the position of the words and we form the questions. Now answer is like this. Is Meeta late for school? Then question mark we have given. Now the 10th one is they will return today. Okay. Now what we have done here changes that the word which is given in the bold printed, that we have to take first. So the question form is like that. Will they return today? Okay. Now the 11th one is Vani is her friend. Now here is this word, it is given in the bold printed, that's why we are going to take that first. We put that word in the first. Now is Vani her friend? Then question mark. Here I wrote in the capital. Why? Because it is the name of a girl. Now 12th one is Tanya is a good dancer. Okay. Now while form the question, what we have to just look at that what the question it is given, that we have to just remember that one, that the bold printed word that we have to put first. So the question form like this. Is Tanya a good dancer? Then question mark we have given. Now 13th one, she was playing with Vihan. Now here was this word, it has given the bold. So what we have done? We have to put this word first here. Before she we have to put was this word. So the question form is like this. Was she playing with Vihan? Here Vihan, it has given in the capital. Why? Because it is the name of a person. So after ending the question, what we have to do? We have given the question mark. Now the 14th one is that they are practicing for the test. Okay. Now while form the question, I have told you, you have to just keep that one, the word which is given in the bold, that word we have to change while form the question. Okay. Now the answer means we can form the question is like this. Are they practicing for the test? Then question mark we have to give. Now students, I hope you understand this lesson carefully and you have note down the answer in your grammar textbook. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? Note down the answer fast. Now here see question. After you are finishing that answer, keep your pencil aside, just concentrate on this question, listen carefully, then you can note down the answer. Okay. C question is what? Match word in column A with the groups of words in column 2 to make questions which make complete sense. See, while form or while make a questions, it should be the complete sense. See, while you have to form the question, it should not happen that there is no meaning when you are going to ask the questions. Now what the here question has given, that we have to match column A group words with the column 2. There are the group of words are there. So it while form the question, we have to see that word, it should be the complete sense. Okay. One by one we are going to match the column A group column A words to the column 2 group of words. One by one we are going to see. Now here column A, it is given. Once we are going to read this column A, then once again we are going to read the column 2. In column 1, there are the, what is this? Just remember what is this? Yes, these are the question words. These are the question words. With the help of these question words, what we have to do? We have to form a questions. Okay? Which are they? See here. First one, what? Second one, who? Third one, how? Fourth one, where? And fifth one, why? These are what? These are question words. With the help of these question words, we have to match this group of words which are given in the column 2. Which are given in the column 2. Okay? Now in the column 2, what it is given? First one, A1 is are you? See here, after that they have given the question mark. Okay, keep remind this one. First one, are you? B1, did you come late to this class? C1, are you doing here? D1 is talking in the class. And E1, are you going? Now these group of words we have to see from the group of column, means column A. This column 2 group of words are there, and column 1 some words are there. These, with the help of these question words, we have to join this column to some group of words. One by one we are going to see. Now first, what it is given? What? So with the help of this word, question word, what the question we can form? See, what are you? What are you? It is a complete sentence? No. B1, what did you come late to school, late to the class? Is the question form? Here it is a complete sentence? No. Here C1, what are you doing here? In this question form, it is any sense is there, complete sense is there? Yes. So the first answer we can say that one, it is C1, that the question form is like this. What are you doing here? Okay. Now second one is what? Who? Here we can, with the help of this group of words, we can match it here. Here we can say what we have seen, that one, who are you? It will also come. The B1 is here. Did you come late to the class? Who did you come to the late to the class? The complete says no. Now for C1 already it is matched with the first one. Okay. Now D1 is that, who is talking in the class? Is it the complete sense? Yes, we can say that one. The second one is that, who is talking in the class? Okay. Now third one is how. Here with the help of this group of column 2 we have to match it here. Now how, once again we are going to see here. A, how are you? Is it complete sense? While we have to ask the question, it makes sense? Yes. So we can say that one. Sometimes we are going to ask that, how are you? Okay. So third one answer is A1. Now fourth one is where. Here where it is given. Now only two are remain now. B1, where did you come late to the class? Is it matching? Means it complete sense? No. Now the E1 is given, that where are you going? So it makes complete sense? Yes. So the question of the fourth one answer is, we can say, where are you going? Okay, now the last one, you can say that one why, which is B1 option. We can match it. That why did you come late to the school, sorry, late to the class? Or sometimes we are saying, teacher is asking that one, why did you come to late for this class, or why did you come to late to the school, late to the class? Okay, now fifth one answer is B1. Okay, you can match like this, or you can write that one, that first answer is what it is. First answer is C1, second answer is E1 or D1, D1. Third answer is A, fourth answer is E, and fifth answer is what? B. Okay, this lesson we have seen today. What we have seen, that we have seen that one, how to form the questions sometimes when it needed, or sometimes we have to change the position of the words while form the question, and with the help of that we have solved examples. And after that, here with the help of this question words, we have to match the group of words which make complete sense. Okay, now students, I hope you understand this lesson carefully. Now I am going to show you one video.
Chapter 3. Questions. Meena is a new girl in class 3. Richa wants to be her friend. Let us hear what they are talking about. Hello, what is your name? Hi, I am Meena. Will you be my friend? Yes, I will. The sentences that end with question marks are questions. Richa and Meena ask each other a few questions. We also ask questions to know about something. When we ask questions, we use words like what, who, where, how, and which. These are known as question words.
Now here,
Matching.
just now we have matched. Once again, with the help of this video audio, we can do it. Okay, here again what the question is same, just we have to match with column A to the column 2. One by one we have going to see here. First one is here. What is the first one answer?
Good work.
See, when you write the correct answer, it will come good answer. When if you are writing the wrong answer, you click the right answer. They are saying try one. Okay. The second one answer is what?
Good
Who is
work.
talking in the class? Third one is how are you?
Good work.
Where?
Good work.
And last one is
Good work.
I hope students you understood this lesson of grammar, lesson number 3. Now your homework is you have to read this grammar lesson of lesson number 3 from starting to the ends, along with the questions and along with the examples that we have seen and we have solved in the episode. Thank you.